Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use Magic Eraser on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we can do is open Google Files. There we go. Now we want to go to Images in order to find all our images, and then we need to select the photo that we want to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then you want to tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner. And now here you can switch to Tools and you will find the Magic Eraser. However, keep in mind that this option is not for free. So if you, for instance, select the area that you want to edit, then over here you will see the information at the bottom of the screen that you need to unlock the Magic Eraser and more with a 1-month Google One trial. So we need to have the Google One subscription. However, if you don't want to use it, if you don't want to subscribe to Google One and you still want to have a Magic Eraser, then you can also download an app from Google Play Store. So in Google Play Store, we want to find the Snapseed app. There we go. This is the one that we want to use. We want to install it. And now let's wait a couple of seconds. And then of course we want to open it. So let's tap open. There we go. Now we can tap anywhere in order to select the photo that we want to edit. And we need to allow Snapseed to access photos and videos. So let's do that. And let's say I'm gonna choose this photo and then let's allow. One more time. There we go. Let's say it's this one. And the next thing that we need to do is press the tools text in the middle over here. And then we need to choose healing. Once we select healing, we can select the area that we want to edit. So let's say I want to remove this part of the image. There we go. And let's see how it works. And there we go. Now it is edited. Once we are done, we have this check in the bottom right corner. And then we can export and save. And after that, we can view the saved photo. Or if we go back to Google Files, then we should also find our picture. There we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.